Hello students, welcome to Elga class. Today student reader 3 will study a story. Okay, see here, Chinese way of eating. Student reader 2. So in this story, first what is this? Neha went on a trip to China. She saw many different things. Where she is going? She is going for a trip to China. She saw many different things there. Okay, next she saw the Great Wall of China and she saw martial arts and pandas too. The boy is doing here martial arts and here there are pandas also. Next, she saw chopsticks. She liked them the most. She is holding two sticks. No, those are called as chopsticks. She liked them the most. Next, she saw people using chopsticks to eat food. She was surprised. People use chopsticks to eat there in China. Next, she saw that they hold the sticks between their fingers just like we hold a pencil. They hold chopsticks to eat food just how we hold a pencil. Next, then they put a finger between the two sticks. They put fingers between two sticks. Then they move the sticks up and down. Then they pick up the food with sticks. Neha liked this way of eating food. I will show it to my family, she thought. Okay, she liked very much the way of eating the food. And in this vocabulary words are trip, chopsticks, surprised, between, move, pick. Okay, you have to practice reading the stories. And then see here, by using the story they have given you whole words here. First one is hold. She saw they hold the sticks between their fingers. Hold is the whole word. They can hold my book. Please. Can you hold my book? Please. Okay, hold is whole word here. These all sentences are given in lead video. You can copy from there and write. Next, second one is thought. I will show it to my family. She thought. Okay, she thought it will be fun. Next, show. I will show it to my family. She thought. I will show their picture to my mother. Okay. Write all these things in your classwork after watching lead video. Next, detail. Detail means what? By watching the pictures, you have to write the details about the story. For example, I can see some drawings. I can see colors and paint brushes. I can see students drawing on paper. These are all given in your lead video. They have shown one picture and given these things. Next, words from story. Just now I had told you story of a Neha. By using those stories, they have given you some spellings here. First one is trip. What is meaning of trip? Going on a holiday. Next, chopsticks, which are used for eating food. Surprised. Whenever you will get any gift, how will be your reaction? You will be surprised. Between. Between means in middle. Okay. Move means moving. And pick. Pick means pick up in the any. Okay. Next, please practice the story here. And you have to practice the reading of blend words. Blend means what? Blend means words formed from parts of two or more other words. Okay. How you will read phonics words? See, K-I-T, kit. K will pronounce separate. I-T, t, like this. But in slide, what you will do? Slide. You will read both the words, both the letters at a time. Like this. Okay. You have to practice this also in your home. Practice all the sums. And next, for your student reader, see your worksheet number 1. They have shown you some details about these stories. First one, a family going for a trip. The mother looks for new places on the map. Next, the family likes the Great Wall of China. Okay. Next, third question, fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. First one is, what is this called? See, dash I double P E R. You should choose any one of this. Which one, which blend word will come here? Sleepers. This is stamp, S-T-A-M-P, stamp, slow, store. Okay. After this, worksheet number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. First one is, here what he is doing? Sleep. This is slide, star, stairs. Next, in the Chinese way of eating, what they have asked, what was the story mostly about? The story was mostly about how people eat food in China. Okay. Next, you have to write the details about the story. First, they use chopsticks to eat food. They hold the sticks between their fingers. They pick the food and eat it. Okay, these are 3 details given. You can watch lead video and write them. Okay, and next one is articles. What are articles? An article is a word that tells if a noun is general or specific. See here, a and the, these all 3 are articles. A is used for consonants. An is used for vowels. The is used for specific or general. Okay. Now see here, some examples. A trip, the Great Wall of China. These all are from the story of the Chinese way of eating. In that story, they have given you, choose the some articles and given here. The sticks, a pencil, a finger, the food or the sticks. Okay. Next, you should write these letter sounds. They are given in your lead video. Slim, slip, slant, slide, step, stem, stun, stop, and whole words. Using the whole words, they have made some sentences. First, Rita goes to watch the cricket match. I watch television with my family. Ron sits next to the Rita. Go and sit next to the window, and they bump into each other. They will sit with each other. They bump into each other. I am going to the other room. These all are, you have to write in your notebooks. And next, complete the worksheet number 4 also. What is there? See, before that, worksheet number 3 I will tell you. Read the sentences and underline the articles. Aman wants to read a book. A is article. Next, the class went for a trip to the Delhi. The and a are articles. Next, I want to eat an egg. An is article. The mouse went to the garden. The, I saw an wool. Okay, like this you have to circle. Next, take the correct answer. The story was mostly about the Chinese eating with chopsticks or the Chinese practicing karate. First option is correct answer. Next, how do people eat food in China? They use spoons or chopsticks? Chopsticks they use. Okay. Next, how do you eat food at home? I eat food with hands on or spoons. Okay. Neha went on a trip to China last year. Trip means what is meaning of trip? Holiday. Okay. These are also articles. You have to write the correct articles. Okay. Write all the articles properly in your worksheet. And same here also. Worksheet number 5. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The sun is in the sky. Do you have an umbrella? I want to eat a watermelon. The jeep is black. Ria wants a pencil. Same with this also given. You have to complete all the work and complete your notes. Okay.